Hello everyone, in this video we're going to look together on the statistics homework lesson 8. The first question, find a chi-square when v equals 20, 0.0025. 0.0025 you can look at is this, the second table. Okay, you're going down to v equals 20, so it's 34.170. Okay, this column going down to 20 is this one. Okay, next one, and it gives you mu equals 77, variance equals 8, and sigma equals 8 to be value of 26. Find chi-square values. So chi-square equals m minus s square over sigma square. Let me see. Yeah, you use the formula. The chi-square formula I gave you in the lesson video. Let's go back and check the chi-square formula is m minus 1. So n is 26, so it's 25. m minus 1 is 25 times s square. S square is 10. So 25 times 10 divided by sigma square, which is 8. You got the chi-square value is 31.25. And then you check the 0.1 chi-square 0.1. Chi-square 0.1 equals chi-square 0.1 is given to here, and which is 25 34.38432. So you got chi-square 0.1 is bigger than the chi-square this one, so is less than the chi-square 0.1, so we conclude the value is valid. Okay, next one. So this one, you just look at the table. It really does not have too many things to explain. This is a question of how you read the table. So t value equals 0.005, and it go down to second one 0.005, go down to v equals 15, so it's 14 is 2.947. Okay. And next one is find probability p. T is less than 3 point. I don't know why this one come out. So t is less than 3.355 when v equals 8. Basically, you find out when v equals 8. V equals 8, and t value. Okay, this one does not have this number. The second one, v equals 8. Then you see 3.355 is 0.005. Okay, 0.005 actually is the area to the right. If you look at the picture, 0.005 is the area to the right. So left area, if it's less than this one, is 0.995. Okay. Alright, so you can continue finish the rest of them. I think it's pretty much simple. You read the table and find the area of the probability. Okay, if it's less than, it's the left area. If it's bigger than, it's the right hand area. Question 5 is pretty much very similar as the previous one. What you need to do, you just find out the point when you find out negative 2.45485, negative 25. Okay, since the sample size 26, then freedom is 25. So 25, 24, negative 2485. So basically find a positive. Let me see, 2485. 2.485 is right here. So 0.01. Actually, it's the left side 0.01. Well, 0.01, then you need 0.995. So 0.995 is 0.995 is where? 0.995 I have to find out is 995. So it's going to be this one. 2787. 2.787. Okay, so you can do the same thing for this one. Number 6. Okay, so number 6 is it gave you t square value. T equals let me see. A manufacturer claim that use the 24 hours as average is x bar equal 25. Now it gives you t is negative, positive, then you find the t value yourself. So use the formula x bar minus mu over s over square root of n. So here what you need to do, you use x bar 27.4 minus 25. So it's 2.4 divided by 4 divided by square root of 25. So the answer is a 3. Okay. You find t values. Use the t formula on textbook. X bar minus mu over s over square root of n. Everything is given. Just use that formula. Find the t square. Find the t value. And you find a t value, and then you can use a table. Find out these two t values. So this t value is not in these two values, so you will not be satisfied the claim. Alright, so this will be exactly the same problem as the previous one. You find out t value by using the formula x bar minus mu over s over square root of n. Compare with these two t values, find from a table. Okay, number 7. So number 7, what you need to do, you can use a StatCrunch to do this problem. Okay, let me show you how to use a StatCrunch to do this. New sample, new data. So this is data, right? Let's do a similar exercise. Click the board and copy this and paste it into here. So now I have all the data. So compute t values. What you need to do, you can do t stats. One sample. We only have one sample. And with data. Okay, t stats, one sample with data. And choose that one. And it says the mean value equals 0.8. So just change that into 0.8. Is this as average saturated fat is 0.8. So just equals 0.8. Compute it. So you got t value is negative 4.48. Okay. The probability is a p-value. P-value is probability is less than 0.0029 is less than 0.1. So it disagree the claim. So it does not provide evidence to disagree. Okay. Oh wait, if p is low, then reject the hypothesis. So I think it provides it rejected the evidence. P is low, which means the probability is very small, so it rejected the claim. Okay, P is low, your null hypothesis reject. We can explain the null hypothesis later. But if P probability is very low, then it rejects the claim. Okay. 0.8, find out f values. Then this is use a table thing. I did all 4 of them. It's not really hard. Use the table, find the f values. So basically you got f12, 30. You see v1 is 12. v1 is 12. 12 is what? v1 12 is the other page. Not this one. Negative this one. v1 is 12. Okay. v2 is 20. So 12, v1 is 12, v2 is 20, going down here, 20, 2.28. Oh wait, v1 is 12, right? v1 is 12, v2 is 20. Okay, it's 0.05. So this is 0.05. 12, v1 is 12, and 20 goes down to 20. Oh, 30, sorry, my bad, 30, that's why. 30 goes to here, 2.09, so it's this one, 2.09. v1 equals 12, v2 equals 30, so 2.09. Okay, so you continue to finish all of them. There is another formula, is alpha v1 v2 equals 1 over f1 minus alpha v2 v1. Okay, sometimes you have to use that one formula to convert it a little bit. You can go to the book. As a formula you can use if it says 0.95. For example, this one you have to use the formula to convert it. Okay, to switch the v1 and v2. If you look at the formula, you should be able to do this 3. Well, ABC you can directly do it. D and E, one small change for the formula. Okay, number 9. Okay, so this data set is given. You have 2 data. So what you need to do, clipboard, and you can use a StatCrunch to do a stat, and it's variance stats, 2 sample. You can see that 2 sample, and with data. So basically, variable 1. Wait, I have two variables, right? Oh, let me see. I copy this. I need a new data table. Paste, yeah, two samples. So what I do is compare what? Compare two population variants. If they're equal, so it says, if, look at the question, it says common evidence that concern equality of two population variants. So variance, that's two sample with data, I have data, and V1 and V2, if they're equal, so V1, sigma 1 of sigma 2 squared equal 1, compute. I can find the F values is 6.04, and then the P value is 0.02, is between 0.01 to 0.05. So if it's less than 0.01, you reject it. If it's bigger than 0.05, you accept it. And now it's between, so you may or may not be accepted. Okay, that's how you do this one. I would suggest you use the formula on your textbook and try to work on this one, but you have to find out the S square and S2 square, and then you use the formula to do it. But this software can help you do it quickly, but I want you to at least try one problem by hand and if you got the same F values. Okay, so that's the whole explanation of the homework.